Hi guys, good morning. It is Thursday, January 13th, and I am back with the vlogs again. Oh my god. Hi guys, if you guys are new here, I am Jennifer and I am starting back on the daily vlogging, or at least like weekly vlogging. I went on a hiatus for a few long months, just a few, and now I am back, and I am also an age older than my last video that I have ever posted. I just wanted to pop in like before the day gets started to just talk to you guys a little bit before I just randomly start filming after not seeing or talking to you guys for literally a year. I just wanted to update you guys a little bit on like what's been going on with my life, so you guys aren't like, okay, so she's, you know, like question mark, question mark, question mark. I guess I'll start with why I stopped recording, honestly. So the reason why I stopped was because my sister took back her camera. That was the whole reason, and I didn't have another camera to film with, and I was like, you know, like, I guess I just won't film. But part of me, I was also working a lot. Yeah, I was like just on grind mode, and I was like doing homework, but not really doing homework because I hate school. I still hate school, by the way. Wasn't any like, oh, I hate filming, because I missed filming, I missed editing, and that's why I asked for a camera on my birthday. Need to clean it out, but that's for another day. Okay, I'm currently doing my laundry right now. I'm sorry if the water's loud. I don't know with the audio on here. I have a external mic connected, but I don't know how great it's gonna work with the water. But I thrifted like 3 sweatshirts and a tank top, and I want to show you guys. So I got this like plain navy blue sweatshirt. It's very large, but I like large sweatshirts, obviously. With this red sweatshirt that I'm wearing, it's huge on me, but it's so comfy to wear. Also, I don't know if I told you guys this, I did not. I'm going on a New York trip at the end of this month, and I need like sweatshirts and really good cozy sweaters to wear, so that's gonna help. Then I bought a black one, very basic, but it's so cute. I don't have a lot of black sweaters, which is weird because like I really like the color black. And then I snagged this really cute blue sweatshirt. I have a brownish gray sweatshirt like this, but the blue one's super cute. Last but not least, I got a white plain tank top. I just needed one, honestly, and it was what, like, everything was half off, so it was $1. Alright, hi guys, welcome back to this week's video. Right now it is 9:23 and I am in the car. I got ready for today. Today's agenda, we are gonna go to Target first. I have to go and buy a planner for school. If you guys don't know, I'm still in college. I need to buy a planner because it's 2022 now. Happy New Year's, by the way. And I don't have a planner and I need it for school. I also need notebooks and a pen. I have my favorite special pen brand and I really need to get it. And yeah, that's basically it. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the coffee shop and I'm gonna sit there for 3 hours and I'm gonna do my homework. Either that, or I might honestly just go to my jobs, like small little corner area, and just do my homework there. Again, I have work at 2, so I basically, now that's almost 10, I have roughly 3 hours to do homework. So guys, so I just got back from Target and I want to show you guys what I got. So I wanted to get a planner, a notebooks, and pen. So that's exactly what I came in there for. So I got the Papermate pens. I've grown a love for these in high school. And then I bought myself, okay, I don't really like this planner, but this was like the most decent one. And it's not really cute. I don't know if you guys can't really see it. It's not that cute. It's recycled paper, 1 tree planted, so I had to. And then I also got the recycled 60% recycled premium paper, and I just got 2 small notebooks because I don't really need, I know that I probably won't be taking a lot of notes, but I think this would be enough for just this semester, and whatever I don't use, I can use for the next semester. So I'm gonna put this in my backpack, and then we're low-key on a time crunch because it's already 10, and I'm literally still at Target, which is very bad. We need to go to the coffee shop, and I will see you guys when I get there.
엉클어진 방 침대에 누워 핸드폰만 보며 또 하루를 보내 오늘 같은 날 산책이라도 다녀올까 But I feel so lazy Yeah I'm home alone all day And I got no more songs left to play Baby 난 널 그리네 다시 돌아와줘 내게 And let me be your man oh.
Alright, hi guys. I thought I was recording and turns out I never pressed the button, so I was talking to myself. I have an outfit on right now. I found 2 outfits already, maybe 1 outfit. I'm just bringing like an extra pair of jeans just so I can like swap out. I have to also realize that my friends are giving me, like I have to go and pick up the things that they're giving me so I would be able to work with that. I just wanted to check up on you guys and let you guys know how my outfit journey for New York is going. Honestly, like the outfit that I'm wearing now is very cute and I honestly would wear it in Florida. Like this is like perfect outfit for a Florida cold weather. Maybe not in New York, to be honest. Alright, I put up all of my clothes and I kind of threw everything that I'm gonna be wearing in that pile right there. I can't deal with it. I don't want to deal with it. I am about to head to my friend's house. Really, I'm just gonna like stop by so I can pick it up. Let's go. I really need to wear a jacket, but it's fine. I'm gonna be in the car. Whoops. It really warmed up from this morning, which I'm really surprised because it was really cold. Something that I need to invest in this year for you guys, that I like never really put effort or time into is a car mount. I'm very picky about like types of car mounts that I want for my car. Maybe I could probably guess right here. It's like you guys are like driving with me. It's hot, first of all. It was so cold this morning and now it's warming up. It says that it's 73 degrees now. This morning I think it was like maybe 45, 50. It's my favorite song right now. Say hi.
Hello. Hello.
Thank you.
You're welcome. One
Thank you.
coat, 2 coat, 3 coat, mitten, beanies, socks. These are wool socks, so if it's like extra cold that day, wear these.
Okay.
You're stocked.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See you later.
Bye. Alright, we are back home. Honestly, I should honestly just name this vlog Getting Ready for New York because literally all that I'm doing today is getting ready for New York. Yeah, so time to look for new outfits.
Into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, the flat was on your face. And then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps can't feel farther away. Say that I want you, you know that I want you.
Hi guys, welcome back again. I don't know what day it is. I think it's the 25th. I just made brekkie, so I made eggs and 2 things of bread. I was gonna toast it, but my mom put the toast thing somewhere and I don't know where she put it. And I made myself a strawberry banana and peanut butter smoothie, which is really good. Today, I do indeed have work, so you guys won't be hanging out with me for that long. Yesterday was basically just packing. It was a lot, to be honest. I don't know what to wear, I didn't know what to pack, and I definitely am overpacking, but like honestly, I'd rather overpack than underpack. I love when my eggs come out like this. You guys see that? Oh, oopsies. I love the yolk. Like, I'm sorry, I know that's the chicken, but it's so good. Also, yesterday I did get my nails done. Do you guys see it? Very pretty, all for New York. I'm hoping these come off before Valentine's Day because I want new ones for Valentine's Day. Before I go to work today, I need to find, no, before I go to work today, I do need to try and do some homework. I have a paper due the day before I come back. I think a discussion and then some worksheets to do for my biology class. That's really all that's on my agenda besides packing. And honestly, I don't even know what to pack. My sisters also don't know what to pack. The yolk broke. Darn it. You guys saw yesterday, Lila did like give me some of her New York stuff that she wore when she went. She recently just went too, so like it was cold for her, but it's gonna be cold for me too. Guys, eggs, it's just so good. Like, it's just so good. All right, now that breakfast is done with, now we can get the day started. Oh my God, yesterday night while I was playing on my Xbox, I dropped my like pencil like case thing with everything. Lead fell on the floor, so now I gotta clean it, and they're marked on my floors now. I'm trying to make my bed really fast because it makes me feel better in the day. I have a bunch of crap that's like in my room and I really need to like clean it, but it just looks like a mess because New York stuff's down there and then everything else is just a mess. I have to do some homework and I really don't want to, and then I also have to go to work, but I think I might bring my homework with me, to be honest. Yeah, so I went this whole morning without going on my phone, which I'm trying, not that I'm trying to like get better at it, because I feel like, especially when I'm working, I don't really go on my phone. Let me take that back. I do go on my phone. I have moments where I just won't go on my phone for like a couple hours, and it's like when I come back, I'm like, wow. Like, I'll go home, look at TikTok and be like, wow, I haven't been on TikTok all day today. And it's like a really good feeling. I'm not trying to implement it a little bit, but I am at the same time. I want to like do more with my day. Like with this month, I did say that I wanted to implement more workouts throughout my day. So I am implementing tomorrow and Friday to working out. It is currently 9:50. I have work at 11. I will see you guys the next time I see you.